I invite you now to quiet your mind and tap in to that beautiful divine innocence that is your birthright. The divine innocence and holy, perfect nature of the truth of who you are. A divine spark of God, but not only a spark in the universe of God, you are actually the universe within your individual spark. Allow the music to remind you of the truth of who you are. Allow the music to help you to remember anytime someone or something on the outside or something on the inside tells you that you are less than holy. Allow the music to anchor you in your knowing that you are lovable. You are enough, and that cannot change. Very gently now, begin to bring your attention into your physical body, your chair, this holy sanctuary, this community where we come to remember this truth, and where we come to remind each other that we are holy, divine, innocent, worthy, perfect sparks of God. Thank you, Great Spirit, for a place to remember our beauty. And so it is.